Hanover, or Hanover in German, is a city that often flies under the radar, yet it offers a rich blend of history, modernity, green spaces, and culture that leaves a lasting impression on those who visit. Nestled in the heart of northern Germany, Hanover is the capital of the federal state of Lower Saxony and sits on the banks of the River Rhine. Its roots stretch back over 1,000 years, originally founded as a medieval settlement in the 11th century. The name Hanover itself is thought to have originated from the Old High German for high riverbank, which makes sense given its riverside location. Over time, this modest settlement grew into a thriving market town and later into a significant royal seat. In the 17th century, Hanover gained prominence as the residence of the Electorate of Brunswick-Lüneburg, which later became the Kingdom of Hanover. One of the most notable historical connections is with the British royal family. In 1714, Elector George Louis of Hanover became King George I of Great Britain, establishing a personal union between the two crowns that lasted for over a century. This unique Anglo-German relationship left a lasting cultural imprint on both nations. Hanover was heavily bombed during World War II, and much of the historic old town was destroyed. However, the city has managed to blend old and new in a surprisingly harmonious way. Some key historical buildings were carefully reconstructed, such as the Marktkirche, the Old Town Hall, and the beautiful half-timbered houses in the Old Town Quarter. Walking through this area today offers a glimpse into Hanover's past, with charming cobbled streets and traditional architecture that contrast with the modern cityscape just around the corner. One of Hanover's defining features is its abundance of green space. Known as one of Germany's greenest cities, it's home to the expansive Herrenhausen Gardens, which date back to the 17th century. The Great Garden is a Baroque masterpiece, meticulously landscaped and full of fountains, sculptures, and colorful flower beds. Nearby, the Berggarten offers a more botanical experience, featuring exotic plants, greenhouses, and one of Europe's oldest palm houses. The Maschsee, an artificial lake near the city center, is another popular spot, especially in summer. Here you can rent a boat, go paddleboarding, or just relax by the waterfront with views of the city skyline. Culture thrives in Hanover. The city hosts several important museums and galleries. The Lower Saxony State Museum combines natural history with art and archaeology. The Sprengel Museum, meanwhile, is a must-visit for modern art enthusiasts, showcasing works by Picasso, Klee, and local artists. Music also plays a big role in the city's identity. Hanover is recognized as a UNESCO City of Music, with a vibrant music scene that spans classical to electronic and everything in between. For those interested in science and innovation, the city is also a hub of industry and research. It's known for hosting the Hanover Messe, one of the world's largest trade fairs for industrial technology, drawing professionals from all over the globe. This gives the city a strong international flair with modern infrastructure and a cosmopolitan vibe. The city's public transport is efficient and easy to navigate, with trams, buses, and regional trains connecting all major sites and districts. Whether you're exploring the historic Linden district with its bohemian atmosphere, or the chic shopping streets around Krupsche and Georgstrasse, getting around is a breeze. Hanover might not always be the first city that comes to mind when thinking of Germany, but that's part of its charm. It offers authenticity, cultural depth, and a relaxed pace that appeals to travelers looking for more than just tourist checklists. It's a city where you can stroll through royal gardens, explore modern art, uncover layers of European history, and enjoy lakeside sunsets, all in one day. So whether you're a history buff, nature lover, art enthusiast, or simply curious about lesser-known European destinations, Hanover is well worth your time. It's a city that doesn't shout, but rather invites you to discover its stories at your own pace.